thing, there's Auto Magicians, the appearance specialists, where we can get rid of those unsightly dents, door dings, and creases both painlessly and paintlessly. With our expert PDR method, our highly skilled technicians carefully access the underside of a body panel and use specialized tools to gently massage the metal back to its original contour. No tricks, no smoke and mirrors, the magic is in the precision and detail, removing every low spot and tapping every high spot until the panel is returned to its factory condition. 100% guaranteed. Visit us today for a free estimate or email us a photo. Like us on Facebook and receive exclusive access to our monthly specials and discounts. For a complete list of our services, visit automagicians.ca or call us at 416-434-DENT.